Okay, so as we look at the work of Invader and his use of pixel art to promote images and kind of identify his own process, we're going to be creating our own pixel logos. We're going to make them unique and original, and we're going to use them as ways to kind of identify ourselves in our digital learning environment. So to do that, we're going to use pixelart.com, which is linked in the Canvas page. And to start your drawing, you're just going to go to this blue to purple faded button, and you're going to click Start Drawing. Now, when you get into this grid area, you're going to see some notifications here that you can go through to kind of help you familiarize yourself with the program. Typically, what you're probably going to see is an 8 by 8 grid here, but I have been making other artwork using a 32 by 32 grid. What I'm going to ask is that you use at least a 16 by 16 grid for this project. You can make it as complex as you want, but starting simple may be the best. How do you do that? You want to go up to the upper left here where it says File. You're going to click on that, and you're going to go down to where it says New, which will be the first one. This is going to pop up a dialog box for you, and you're going to be able to scroll down and select your presets. So for this one, I'm suggesting 16 by 16. You could do 24 by 24. Try to keep it square though, so keep this number the same. So I'm going to go 16 by 16. I'm going to start a new drawing. I'm going to click OK on this pop-out menu. We're clearing the original data. If you haven't done anything, that's okay. We're going to do a fresh start. So click OK. So we have a new pixel board. Now what you're challenged to do in here is to come up with a logo using different colors from your color palette here on the right. And that logo should represent you in some way. So I'm going to pause for a second and come back in a moment once I have my logo complete. All right, so I've come up with the skateboard to represent myself because of my love of skateboarding. I went through and I was able to paint with these different tools. A couple things I want to show you real quick. The pencil tool will allow you to go pixel by pixel. Now, if you want to match a color, say I was starting with this color, I changed something in my color palette, but I want to get this back. The eyedropper tool or the color picker tool here on the right-hand side of this toolbar will allow you to go in, pick it, and you can pick your tool again and use that. If you wanted to change the entire color, so let's say I wanted to make this pink, you use across from that color picker tool is the bucket tool, and you can pop that in and that will change your background color or all the similar colors for that. If you do anything and you don't like it, just click the undo arrows up at the top. So you have finished your drawing and now you want to share it with all of us. What we're going to do is we're going to download this. So we're going to go to the download icon that is over from the file up here, the little down arrow onto the hard drive. I'm going to click on that. What you want to do is set your size for this. Now this is very important. If we keep it at 16 pixels by 16 pixels, it is going to be very, very small. So what you're going to want to do is go to size, scroll the whole way down to 480 by 480. 480 by 480 for the layers. And what we're going to do is just click download. These numbers may change depending on how many pixels you did. If you did 8 by 8, it may be a little bit smaller. If you did 480 pixels by 480 pixels, try to pick something in between the 400 and 1000 range. So I'm going to click download. What this will do will download my drawing to my drive or your computer. We'll go over how to find that later and how to upload it. What we're going to do next is go into Canvas and I'll show you how to post this in a response on our discussion board.